Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review the levels given on May 18 and later we will discuss the levels for May 19. So these are the levels we gave for May 18. We should go long above 9183 and we should go short below 9110. Now let us see the 5-minute chart of Nifty Index. We gave the sell level of 9110 and see in the first 5 minutes itself it cut the level of 9110. So what shall we do? As per the rule, we should wait for the 15-minute candle to form. We should wait for the first 15 minutes. Okay, so we waited for 15 minutes and we saw the low of the first 15 minutes is 9063 and we waited for the next candle to break that low. Okay, now as you see in the chart, it has broken the low and now we need to get into the trade. So the low is broken and now we need to enter the trade. So the next thing what we need to do is to put the stop loss. We have to put the stop loss as 9140. See how the Nifty has gone. So we were able to capture this big move today. We got the targets of 8995 and target of 8935, and based on the targets, I hope you guys are benefited from this move. We were able to capture some profits today. Our stop loss did not get triggered today, so we were able to capture those two targets today. It was a great move. So that is a good thing about this trading system. It is a price action trading system, which is nothing but the pivot point levels. Okay, so any trading system, right, whenever the big move comes, we should be able to capture it, and whenever the trade goes against us, then we should come out of the system. We should come out of our trade with minimum loss. So that is how a trading system should help us. That is how when we try to, as a trader, when we try to stick to the levels, that is how it is going to help us. Now let us see the levels for tomorrow. So this is the trading system we use. We give the open, high, low and close of May 18, which is today's levels, and then we will derive the levels. So it will calculate the levels based on these open, high, low and close. Okay, so we also consider the central pivot range levels to have our levels. So now let us see the levels for May 19. We should go long above 8886 with a stop loss of 8820. Targets are 8925, 8980 and 9052. We should go short below 8800 with a stop loss of 8825. Targets are 8705 and 8585. Now let us see the rules. For every trading setup, there has to be some rules, and as a trader, we need to strictly follow that rules. Okay, and that is very important. So these are the trading rules, when to go for bullish trade and when to go for bearish trade. And there are some rules mentioned under the note section which will help you to enter the trade. If our buy level or sell level comes at the market opening, then what we need to do. So that is clearly mentioned here. Please understand and trade accordingly. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if the levels help you in your trading career.